Today we're making Thai drunken noodles with seafood.
Hi there, welcome back to Thai Caliente. I'm here with my mom again, and we are gonna make another yummy Thai dish for you. What are we making today, Mom?
Pad Kee Mao.
Pad Kee Mao. So the English translation is stir-fry drunken noodles. And you've been having your night out drinking and you want something really spicy and comforting for the hangover. So this is what you make. So feel free to substitute any type of protein. We're gonna be doing seafood today, but you can do any type of meat that you like. And then we're gonna be adding some basil and some bamboo and lots of spicy peppers. So first we're gonna start on the sauce.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Teaspoon of Golden Mountain soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of fish sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of white sugar. Give that a mix.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of water. Now we're just going to mince up some garlic and Thai chili peppers.
Coarse the garlic, okay? And this one, whatever. Oh, 2 tablespoons.
Add 2 tablespoons of oil.
Fry it.
Now we're gonna fry the garlic and the chili peppers.
Just cover it until it smells good.
Okay, now we're gonna add the seafood.
Seafood. To be spicy, and that's how they call drunk noodle.
If you're not coughing, it's not spicy enough. Okay, when it's halfway done, then go ahead and add the sauce. Okay, now we're gonna add the
ingredient,
bamboo,
the carrot, the chili, Thai chili, jalapeno, and lime leaf,
makut lime leaves, and
and basil.
Thai basil.
Backyard basil.
Yeah.
Now time to put the noodle on.
How long do you cook it for?
Just until few minutes the noodles soak in the juice.
We tasted it and you can see if you like this flavoring. Otherwise, if you want more seasoning, add a little bit more Golden Mountain soy sauce.
Now we're finished. Time to serve.
Pad Kee Mao is served best right away when it's nice and hot, so go ahead and plate it and enjoy.
All right, now it's time for the best part, the taste test. Go ahead, Mom, give it a taste. Remember, this is supposed to be a spicy dish, so.
Good.
Good?
Good?
Perfect. Nice and spicy. We hope you guys give this recipe for Pad Kee Mao seafood a try. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.